Welcome to the channel, guys. Have you ever wondered what really happens to your body when you eat oatmeal every day? Well, you're in for a treat because in this video, we're diving deep into the incredible benefits and surprising effects of incorporating oatmeal into your daily diet. From improved heart health to boosted digestion and even weight management, the impact of this humble breakfast staple might just amaze you. So grab your bowl of oats and join us as we uncover the science behind the transformation your body undergoes when you make oatmeal a regular part of your routine. Let's get started, starting with number 1. Improved digestion. Oatmeal boasts significant benefits for digestive health, primarily due to its high dietary fiber content, notably beta-glucan. This soluble fiber plays a crucial role in improving digestion by facilitating regular bowel movements and warding off constipation. Incorporating oatmeal into one's diet can thus be a simple yet effective way to support digestive regularity and alleviate discomfort associated with digestive issues. Before we continue to the next benefit on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more health-related information through our videos. Let's move on to number 2, stabilize blood sugar levels. Stabilized blood sugar levels are crucial for overall health, particularly for individuals managing diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. Oatmeal, known for its rich, soluble fiber content, plays a significant role in this regard. The soluble fiber present in oatmeal functions by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This mechanism aids in preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after meals, promoting a more gradual and controlled release of glucose. Moreover, for those at risk of developing diabetes, incorporating oatmeal into their diet can serve as a preventive measure by supporting stable blood sugar levels. Number 3 on our list is lowered cholesterol. Oatmeal, a renowned breakfast staple, boasts numerous health benefits, including its ability to contribute to lowered cholesterol levels. This effect is primarily attributed to beta-glucan, a soluble fiber abundantly found in oatmeal. Beta-glucan has been extensively studied and shown to effectively reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol. By binding to cholesterol molecules in the digestive tract, beta-glucan helps prevent their absorption into the bloodstream, thus promoting their excretion from the body. Consequently, consuming oatmeal regularly can lead to decreased LDL cholesterol levels, thereby potentially reducing the risk of heart disease and improving overall heart health. Bringing us to number 4, increased satiety. The high fiber content in oatmeal makes it a satisfying breakfast choice, contributing to increased satiety and potentially aiding in weight management. Oatmeal's soluble fiber content, particularly beta-glucan, forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, which slows down the emptying of the stomach and prolongs the feeling of fullness. This prolonged satiety may lead to reduced hunger and cravings, ultimately helping individuals consume fewer calories throughout the day. By choosing oatmeal as a regular breakfast option, individuals may experience improved appetite control and find it easier to maintain a healthy weight. This aspect of oatmeal underscores its value as a nutritious and filling meal choice that supports overall dietary goals and contributes to a balanced lifestyle. Number 5, we have nutrient boost. Oatmeal emerges as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a myriad of essential nutrients vital for overall health and well-being. Rich in manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc, oatmeal provides a substantial dose of these micronutrients crucial for various bodily functions. Manganese supports bone health and aids in metabolism, while phosphorus plays a pivotal role in bone strength and energy production. Additionally, magnesium is essential for muscle function, nerve transmission, and energy metabolism, while zinc contributes to immune function and wound healing. Incorporating oatmeal into one's daily diet provides a convenient and effective means of meeting essential nutrient requirements, promoting overall health and vitality. Whether enjoyed as a warm breakfast option or incorporated into various recipes, oatmeal stands out as a nutrient-rich dietary staple that supports optimal health and well-being. Let's move on to number 6. Potential reduction in risk of chronic diseases. Emerging research suggests that integrating oatmeal into one's diet may confer notable benefits in mitigating the risk of chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain forms of cancer. The soluble fiber content in oatmeal, particularly beta-glucan, has been linked to improvements in cholesterol levels, thereby potentially lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease. While more studies are warranted to confirm these associations definitively, the existing evidence suggests that incorporating oatmeal into a balanced diet may offer protective benefits against a spectrum of chronic diseases. Thus, oatmeal stands out as a versatile and nutritious dietary component that holds promise in promoting long-term health and reducing the risk of debilitating illnesses. Number 7 on our list is improved gut health. Oatmeal's fiber content serves as a valuable prebiotic, nurturing the growth of beneficial bacteria within the gut. This enhancement of the gut microbiome has far-reaching implications for overall health, as it is linked to a myriad of benefits such as bolstered immune function and enhanced mood regulation. By fostering a healthy balance of gut bacteria, oatmeal contributes to the maintenance of optimal gut health, thereby supporting the body's ability to fend off illness and promoting emotional well-being. Incorporating oatmeal into one's diet can serve as a simple yet effective strategy for cultivating a thriving gut microbiome and reaping the associated health rewards. Bringing us to number 8. Potential reduction in inflammation. Oatmeal offers a potential avenue for reducing inflammation within the body, thanks to its rich reservoir of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Chronic inflammation is implicated in the development of numerous health conditions, ranging from cardiovascular disease and diabetes to certain forms of cancer. By incorporating oatmeal into one's diet, individuals may benefit from the anti-inflammatory properties inherent in this wholesome grain, potentially mitigating the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions and safeguarding overall health. As we conclude this video on what happens to your body when you eat oatmeal every day, it's evident that incorporating this nutritious grain into your daily diet can yield a multitude of health benefits. From improved digestion and gut health to potential reductions in inflammation, the impact of oatmeal on overall well-being is substantial. Remember, small dietary changes like enjoying a bowl of oatmeal each day can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.